Reports surfaced recently that China has greenlit the sale of advanced fighter jets to Uzbekistan, a move that signals a deepening military partnership between Beijing and the Central Asian nation. According to sources close to Uzbekistan's Ministry of Defense, cited by regional defense outlets, the deal could involve modern aircraft such as the JF-17 Block 3, J-10C, or even the fifth-generation J-35, though no official confirmation has pinned down the exact model. Alongside this, Uzbekistan has been steadily integrating Chinese air defense systems, including the HQ-9B, FM-90, and KS-1C, as part of a broader shift away from its aging Soviet-era arsenal. This development, emerging just days ago, underscores a strategic pivot for Uzbekistan, a country historically tethered to Russian military hardware, and raises questions about the evolving balance of power in Central Asia. For a region long caught between global powers, this deal could mark a new chapter, not just for Uzbekistan's air force but for China's ambitions as a global arms supplier. The JF-17 Block 3, one of the aircraft reportedly under consideration, is a lightweight, single-engine multi-role fighter developed jointly by China and Pakistan. Priced at roughly $30 million per unit, it's a budget-friendly option compared to Western or Russian alternatives, which often exceed $80 million. The J-10C, another contender, is a more advanced 4.5 generation fighter, designed by China's Chengdu Aerospace Corporation. The J-35, China's fifth-generation stealth fighter, is the wild card in this deal. Publicly unveiled at Airshow China in 2024, it's a carrier-capable jet designed to compete with the US F-35. China offers a compelling alternative. Its weapons are affordable, available, and come with fewer ideological demands. Beijing's approach to arms sales emphasizes pragmatism, focusing on economic ties rather than political leverage. For Uzbekistan, this is a chance to modernize its military without alienating key partners. The country has long pursued a policy of strategic autonomy, balancing relations with Russia, China, and the West.